So here's our piece of paper. Okay, mine's 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to, we're going to draw all over this today, but we want, for our definition, we want to make a long skinny box over here, because we want the rest of the paper to be for drawing. Okay, a long skinny box over here, and I'm going to switch it to this view here so we can write a little bit better. Alrighty, so we're going to write our definitions. The first thing we're going to write is comics are sequential art. That is the shortest definition, but we're going to add a few more words. Okay, but I'll put this in the chat. So sequential art, that's the first part. The other part is that, or the longer part of it is one image next to another image. Or series, right? Because sometimes they're just not two panels, there's 3 or 4. And presents a story. That is important. And presents a story. So in our final work of art for our comics unit, we will be writing a short story and illustrating it, okay? So that is our definition. I put it in the chat if you need to write it out. I'm going to turn my paper back here, right? And I'm going to lay out my paper with 5 long boxes. So I'll show you here, and then you can follow along. So you don't really need much space in between, but you do need 5 long boxes. Fit this one in here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to zoom into this first box here. And I want to divide the box into 3 sections. And we are going to do some timed drawings, some quick draws as they're called. This is from the book by Ivan Brunetti, Cartooning by Ivan Brunetti. Remember we talked about Linda Berry, showed us how to do these simple type drawings. So there's some exercises in here that we're going to do, and this is going to help your comics become simpler and easier to draw. So in this first box right here, we're going to have 1 minute to draw something, and we're all going to draw it at the same time. I'm going to set a timer, and when I say go, you're going to start drawing, and when I say stop, you're going to stop drawing. And then we're going to slowly get faster. So, all right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a leaf. So any leaf I want you to draw in this first box for 1 minute. Ready, go. try to get in your detail. 1 minute is a long time. "12 seconds left. Three, two, one, stop. Okay? So there was our 1 minute drawing of a leaf. Yours might look different than mine. Now in this box, we're going to take 30 seconds to draw a leaf. So don't start until I say start. Ready or set, go. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. Draw a leaf. Still try to get all the essence of the leaf. "30 seconds is quite a long time to draw a leaf. We're just warming up. 10, and stop. Woo! All right. I'm going to reset my timer for 15 seconds, and we're going to go ahead and start right now in this last box. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay? And what you can see is that when you have to draw quicker, you actually get more of a comic type drawing. Okay? You get more of a suggestion of a leaf, not actually an illustration of a leaf. And this is what comics are made out of, or at least our comics are going to be made out of. Okay? So we're going to do this to get better at drawing, and I'm going to push you. Okay? I'm going to push you. So in the next box, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. I want you to draw your boxes here. This time we're going to start at 30 seconds, and then we're going to go to 15 and 7. Okay, so more challenging. The next drawing that you're going to draw is a car. Think about it for a minute, visualize the car, and ready, 30 seconds, go. 30 seconds is a long time. Two, one, stop. Okay, now you're going to have to draw it faster, so just draw more of the essentials. 15 seconds. Ready, go. Four, three, two, one, stop. All right, 7 seconds. This is going to be really fast. Ready, set, go. Stop. Okay, so you can see these two examples, we're getting just the simplified version, and that's what comics is all about. Okay, so anytime you need to draw an item, you can go through this process to simplify, all right? Let's do the next one. Let's get a little bit more difficult. I know it's been difficult, but let's keep on going. So the next one we are going to do is 30 seconds. Okay, right here it's going to be, well, before I say the word, I want you to think about the object for the first second or two. Visualize it in your brain. You'll be able to draw it better. Okay, because 30 seconds is kind of a long time for these small little drawings. So 30 seconds, draw a castle. Go. Seven seconds left. 1, and stop. Woo! Did you get a lot of detail in there? Maybe not enough, okay? 15 seconds, drawing a castle, ready, go. Gotta simplify. Go ahead and stop. Woof! This is going to be real quick. 7 seconds. Ready, go. And stop. Okay, take a little rest before we do the next one. So we are going to divide this in quarters again. We still have 30, 15, and 7. Okay, this is going to be challenging, but I think you can all do it. 30 seconds to draw. Remember, you're going to visualize it first. 30 seconds to draw a cat. Go. Seven seconds left. And stop. Okay, we're going to reset for 15 seconds, a 15-second cat. Ready, set, go. And stop. Last one, 7-second cat. Here we go. Ready, go. And stop. Okay, it's okay if you don't finish, right? Okay, the last series of drawings, I am going to give you a little bit longer. This one is going to be 1 minute. This one will be 30 seconds, and this one will be 15 seconds, okay? This one is going to be the most difficult, but well worth it, okay? So I'm going to reset the clock for 1 minute, and this time, now you've done this before, so if you've been following along the class, you've done this before. I want you to do 1 minute of a self-portrait. Ready, go. Draw yourself. One minute of a self-portrait. "15 seconds.